Leetcode Biweekly Context 170. Question number 3. Lexicographically, smallest negated permutation, the sum to target. It is a medium problem. Since we are looking for the smallest array, we can start from an initial array, say in reverse order of this permutation of these numbers from 1 to n. And we try them one by one, say returning 3 to minus 3 to see if it is if it would help. Otherwise, we try the second one. Turn this number 2 to negative 2. The same for this one. In this way, we're gonna find a permutation of the smallest one to sum to this target. But the only thing we have to be careful is there are gonna be a few edge cases. So the first one, if the target is too large or too small, then it is impossible. Second, if we try this number and we're gonna reduce this sum of this array by 2 times of this number, which is 6 in this case. If we manage that's too much, then we just skip this one, move on to the next one. If we reach to the end of the array and we couldn't make it even, then still it is impossible. And before we return the, let's see, and before we return the result, we want to sort it to make sure it is in a lexicographical order. But that's the idea to solve this problem. I'm moving to the coding part. Feel free to fast forward.